Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you a dye face mask that get a clear, bright and acne free skin and also remove a dark spots. So let's start how to make this face mask. At first I take honey and take oats. That's called a oatmeal. And also I take yogurt. This yogurt is a normal plain yogurt. So this is my 3 ingredients to make this face mask. Now I am showing to you how to make this face mask and how much quantity to apply this face mask. I take a bowl to mix this face mask and then first I take 1 tablespoon of face mask. This time if you use this face mask full of your body like heads, hands, leg, necks, so that time you use this face mask 2 or 3 spoons. This time I take 1 tablespoon of oatmeal and take plain yogurt 1 tablespoon. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of honey. Now mix this face mask very well. Yogurt remove dead skins of cells, lighten your pores and also reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And oatmeal use this face mask for gently exfoliates your skins and make skins soft and bright. And also I add this face mask honey, and honey use this face mask for reduce redness lines and prevents acne, reduce scares and moisturizing, boost your complexations. My face mask is ready. Now I am applying this face mask on my hand. I use my hands to apply this. I take a little bit of face mask and apply this. Try this face mask 3 or 2 times in a week, and also you can use every season in this face mask. This face mask is so much helpful because it lightens your skin pores and also bright your skin and clear your skin pores. When you apply this face mask, try to little bit scrub your skin. Not much, just little bit. This time you leave this your hand or face after it's dry, and before you wash this your face, please try to scrub your skin just slowly. After dry this face mask, before wash your hand, please use your hands and little bit scrub. Then I show you how to glowing my skin. Look how much glowing of my skin. And also I feel my skin is so much soft and exploits my skin pores. So friends, this is my dye, clear and face mask. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel.